Hey you guys, welcome to Living It Country. Today is demo day. We're taking out the fireplace, taking out the carpet, taking out the tile, and we're gonna take you guys along for this journey. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Let's do this. Hey friends, welcome to Living It Country. Today I'm gonna be sharing a demo day of my mom's cute little farmhouse styled home. It's actually a Cape Cod style home, but we're gonna be turning this into more of a modern farmhouse style. So we're going to be, in today's video, taking out the carpet, and we're going to be demoing the fireplace, as well as taking out the flooring in the kitchen and the tile in the entryway, and then also taking out some of the fireplace rocks, which will be super fun to watch. If you guys missed last week's episode, it was of the tour of this home. So you guys can kind of see what our vision is and what we plan on doing in that video. So I'll link that in the description box below if you guys are interested in watching that. While we're working on the living room, I wanted to take a moment and thank Bellway for partnering with us on today's video. I have been a customer of theirs and have tried 4 of their flavors. My favorite is the raspberry lemon. It's so good. It contains 0 sugar, is flavored with real fruit, and it tastes so yummy. You can actually drink these 1 to 3 times a day. I personally take it once a day, and they come in tubes or stick packs starting at $19.99, which is really cool. And if you use my code below, you guys can get 25% off of your first order at Bellway. So I will have that in the description box below if you guys want to check that out. Now, we won't be installing the flooring in today's video. It will just be the demo, but I'm really excited because we are going to be installing my favorite type of flooring, which is called life-proof flooring. We've done it in our tiny home, we did it in our house, and we're extending it into our living room, and then we did it in my mom's guest room here. And you guys are gonna see in this clip right here the sarcasm of just me. And you guys, I love watching this footage over because I always see my husband and I just doing the funniest things and the weirdest things sometimes, because sometimes I forget that I'm on camera. So let's just appreciate this for a moment.
You were my best friend, didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you. You and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep. In your worn-out sweaters, thinking we'll be young forever. Driving in your mom's old hatchback, and we were in too deep.
Am I doing it right? One thing I love about doing these DIY projects is not only spending time with my husband, but learning new traits and learning new skills to get me out of my comfort zone. I always find myself doing the things that I feel like I might be good at, and learning is so important to me. So for this next year, I really want to start practicing new things, new traits, and I would love to know in the comment section down below, what are you guys implementing into 2021, and what are you guys wanting out of this year? I would love to hear from you guys in the comment section down below. Now throughout this DIY project, you guys are going to see me sweeping up and cleaning up quite a bit, and that is because I have a pet peeve of anything being underneath the flooring. When we were building our home, it seemed like the people that were building the structural part of our home didn't care about what was being thrown on it. So chew ended up being on it, garbage and nails, and so we ended up having to go back through that and making sure that when the flooring was put on, there was nothing underneath. And so as that is a pet peeve of mine, I wanted to make sure that it was nice and clean for this house. And so when we're putting on the hardwood floor, everything is balanced and isn't crooked or anything like that. I know you all have been dying for a messy hair bun tutorial from me, so here we go. And the fun thing about this, all joking aside, because I know you guys don't want a hair tutorial, my hair bun always is at the top of my head, and at the end of each day, regardless if I do a DIY project or not, my hair bun ends on the side of my head. It is the funniest thing, and my family always makes fun of me about it. It's a family joke. Now, while my husband is moving the refrigerator, I am just going to take a moment and share with you guys how I make my Bellway fiber drink. And you guys, it's so easy. I just start with getting a glass of water, and you want it to be lukewarm temperature. I use faucet water, tap water from this, and even if I wanted to do it out of the refrigerator water system, I couldn't because it was unhooked. So I just got a little bit of water and added 1 scoop of Bellway to it. It was so fruity, so good. This one is the raspberry lemon flavored, and they have so many great flavors. This one absolutely is my favorite. And then you want to mix it and you want to drink it all right away. Again, if you guys want to take advantage of this deal, check the description box below and save 25% off of your first order. We are continuing this demo day with removing all of the hardwood floor in the kitchen area and then the garage entranceway. There's 5 different types of flooring in this home, and we just want it to flow really, really well. And my grandma actually said she loves this new flooring so much, she wants it in her bedroom now, which is pretty cool. I really like how the flooring has almost like a groove to it, and so for elderly people, this is really going to help with gripping while they walk. So kind of a fun safety thing, I think. Next, we're going to be demoing this fireplace. It's got this little, I don't know if it would be considered a bench area, but a seating area, and we're going to be removing this, and we're going to be doing the built-in here with shiplap and brick instead of the rock look. The rock look is actually really pretty, but it would look better in a cabin-styled home.
I don't know what I could say to convince you to hang around when you don't have to. There's so much that I'm still keeping to myself, 'cause you don't listen.
I would have to say that my favorite portion of the DIY process was taking out this little bench in the fireplace area. It was so fun to watch it be taken down, and I'm really excited for this space to just be a little bit more opened up without that being there. Now for taking down the rocks, this was so fun to watch, but this was more of a one-person job. My husband took over this portion. The rocks were actually flinging across the house, and they even almost hit the camera. I ended up backing up the camera because of this reason, but watching over this footage and watching it in real life was honestly so cool. There's so many things in DIY projects that are really therapeutic, like painting, and for me it's the spackling. That's like my thing. I love doing that. I could spend hours doing that, and watching over the footage of the rocks being removed is so cool to me. So I hope you guys enjoy it too. Now the rest of the fireplace we're getting done another day just because we needed to take this tile out. That way we could get home and feed our kids dinner and do mom and dad life. So we like to finish these projects off by a decent time because taking care of our kids is really, really important, obviously, for us. So I hope you guys enjoyed this DIY demo day, fixer-upper day, whatever you would like to call it. It was so fun for us to be able to record this and share this all with you. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, a wonderful new year, and I hope everybody's 2021 gets started with a great start. I will see you guys later on Living It Country and hope you have a wonderful day.